Hello team, welcome back to another math mini lesson. So this video is about friendly tens. Last video we spoke about friendly tens. This video we're speaking about friendly tens. This time, when we speak about friendly tens, we're going to be using them to help us solve number story problems. Last time we used friendly tens to think about solving just number sentences. So sometimes these questions are kind of silly just because it's fun. But hopefully you can see that it says Hafsa had 7 bananas. Fatima also had 7 bananas. Gabrielle had 3 bananas. How many bananas were there altogether? How many bananas altogether, team? So what we're going to do, we've got 7 and 7 and 3. And we're thinking about using friendly tens. So some people would look at this and they'd write that into a number sentence. I know Hafsa has 7 bananas, there's 7. And then we could add Fatima's bananas, she has 7 also. And I'm just crossing them out just to make sure I know that I've already written those ones down. And then Gabrielle had 3 more. How many bananas did they have altogether? Okay, so we can add them and figure it out. So you could try 7 plus 7, of course you could. 7 plus 7, you could do a number line, you could do blocks, you could do counting on anything you like. But you might notice or look for first a friendly 10. Because we do notice that some people find this way faster, much more efficient. So you might see 7 and 7 is not a friendly. Look, 7 and 3. 10. 7 and 3 is a friendly 10. So straight away we have one friendly 10. So that means we have added the 7, we've added the 3. Okay, and now we've added the 7, added the 3, now we have a 10, and 10 plus 7 is what we have now. 10 plus 7, we know if we're adding, we got 1 10, 7 ones, we can also write that as 17. So here's another one. In their basketball team, Gabriella, Ernest, and Itsuki were all on the same team. In their basketball team, Ernest, Gabriella, and Itsuki all scored points. They needed to know how many the team scored in total. So there are their scores. Gabriella scored 6, Ernest scored 8, Itsuki scored 4. So what would we do? What would you do first? Well, again, you could use cubes to count them up. You could use dots. You could use tally marks. You could use a number line. You could use all of those things. But let's try it as a number sentence and use our friendly tens to help figure it out. So here we go. We know that Gabriella scored 6, Ernest scored 8, and Itsuki scored 4. So we're going to try and figure out how many did the team score altogether. What would you do? Do you see it? Do you see any friendly numbers? There we go. Straight away you saw it. 6 and 4 is 10. And now we've added the 6 to 4. Just need to add this 8. 10 plus 8. If we have 1 10 and then 8 ones, we're going to have 18. Of course. So Gabriella, Ernest, and Itsuki's team scored 18 points altogether. So there's one reason that people need to add up lots of numbers together. I wonder if you can think of any other reasons why people would start to think of adding not just 2 numbers, but more numbers together. Okay, so here's another one. Soraya loves candy. She wanted to buy Skittles, gummy bears, and Snickers. So much candy. The Snickers cost 2 SAR. The gummy bears cost 8 SAR, and the Skittles cost 4-star. How much money would she need altogether to buy all of this stuff? So it's over to you. Solve this problem using friendly tens. How much money did Saraya need? And of course, look for these problems in your life. Challenge yourself, write some of your own friendly 10 story problems, and we'll talk to you all soon.